get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.
Hello my beautiful glam squad, this is Dalou. Today I am in my living room. I am going to give you a tour and show you how I am keeping it for this season. If you are here for the first time, welcome and welcome to the family. I upload all home decor related videos. If you would like to see more of my work, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And to you, my glam squad, I love you all. Thanks for stopping by today. Starting in the coffee table, I have these beautiful brown and gold branches. They are gorgeous. Love them. This is my beautiful brown hydrangea, perfect for the season.
Trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool.
I am using this beautiful gold vase from my store to hold the branches. The vase sits on top of two books, one from Amazon and the other one from Z Gallery. I have this gold and white acorn, I think that's how you call it, a rose gold candle for beautiful smell, and a gold pumpkin.
Cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it.
On my love seat, I have two pillowcases from my website. They are super duper glam and the quality is top notch. Followed by a pumpkin from Home Goods. On my side table, I kept my beautiful glass lamp, a white and gold sculpture from my website, and a bowl. I think it is from Home Goods. Actually, no, it is from Tuesday Morning.
But it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make
this beautiful throw. It is a gorgeous piece for fall and winter season. Holiday season is coming up, so that it is a perfect addition. It is also from my website.
Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that
I wanted to keep the living room more neutral since my family room has a little bit more color. Therefore, I keep the sofa mostly white with one dark gray pillow that matches the other pillow on the other side.
Being me, I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope hope you pick it up.
On my other side table, I have a beautiful white and gold vase, also from my website, and some preserved baby breath. These are real baby breath.
'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
As you can see, I made a little bit of change. I bought the gray accent chairs in here, and the white ones that used to be here are in the family room.
And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it.
And on the accent chairs, I have these fuzzy pillows. They are from my website.
So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.
As always, I try to keep symmetry as much as possible on the shelves. Whatever decor I have on one shelf, I repeat on the other one, even if it's not the same, but close enough.
And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while.
This is what I have on the wall. It is a simple wall art, but it is perfect for the room.
To put in the time through, trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own.
At the bottom in the corner, I have 2 lanterns. I got them from Target a little while ago. I don't know if they are still available. The lights inside the lanterns are from Amazon. They are battery operated.
'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my living room. What do you think about the great chairs in here? Link from my store will be in the description box, and everything that are from Amazon will also be in the description box. It was my greatest pleasure to be here with you today. I am looking forward to seeing you all on my next video. Thanks to all of you for coming by, for supporting my channel, and for commenting. I am grateful for you all. Please subscribe before you leave and turning on notification bell so YouTube can let you know once I upload my new video, because I am looking forward to seeing you all on the next one. I love you always. Bye bye.